Hello, young man. Do you remember me or have you forgotten?
Rajendran sir, what a surprise.
Good to see you too, my boy. Love the new look.
How is everyone back home? What are you doing here, sir?
Everyone is doing good. I am here on an official trip, so I thought I would take the Tourist Express today.
Great idea, sir. You will love this trip. The new tourist cars are amazing.
I am so excited about it too.
Get in, sir. The train is about to leave in few minutes.
I am so excited I feel like a kid. This is so fancy. This feels like a European train. I hope my seat has a great view. Well, looks like every seat has a great view.
Welcome to Indian Railways Kashmir Valley trip. We are going to see some of the most beautiful sights on earth in our journey today. For this trip, we have arranged for a special Vistadome tourist car for your
God
comfort.
bless Indian Railways. This is absolutely stunning.
And now we have reached our first site. On your left, you can see the beautiful Indira Gandhi Memorial Tulip Garden in full bloom. Opened in 2007, it is the largest tulip garden in Asia, spread over an area of about 74 acres. It is situated on the foothills of Zabarwan range with an overview of Dal Lake. The tulip garden is home to around 65 varieties of tulips, and about 1.5 million tulip bulbs were brought from Amsterdam.
That's very interesting. Hello, lovebirds. I hope I am not disturbing you. Oh, what a lovely view from here.
On your right, you can see the famous Dal Lake of Srinagar. It is an urban lake, which is the second largest in Jammu and Kashmir. It is integral to tourism and recreation in Kashmir and is named the jewel in the crown of Kashmir. Scenic views of the lake can be witnessed from the shoreline Mughal gardens, such as Shalimar Bagh and Nishad Bagh, built during the reign of Mughal Emperor Jahangir, and from houseboats cruising along the lake in the colorful shikaras. During the winter season, the temperature sometimes reaches -11 degrees Celsius, freezing the lake.
If there is a paradise on earth, it is this, it is this,
On your
it
left,
is this.
you can see the heavenly Gulmarg. The Gulmarg gondola cable car built by the French company Komagulski is one of the highest in the world, reaching 3,979 meters. Gulmarg is the heartland of winter sports in India and was rated as Asia's 7th best ski destination. Winter sports like skiing, tobogganing, snowboarding and heli-skiing take place on the slopes of Mount Ararat, reachable by a gondola lift. Gulmarg has been the shooting location in many Bollywood films like Bobby, Jab Tak Hai Jaan, Ye Jawani Hai Deewani and Hadar.
This Vistadome trip was a complete paisa
We have come to
vasool.
the end of our Kashmir Valley Vistadome tourist trip. Thank you and we hope you visit again.
Mission to Leh and Ladakh. A few of us got stranded and urgently need to catch up with our group before they move further. What's the problem? Can't you take the national highway? We can, but due to a landslide, the NH1 is blocked. Can you take us on the train?
I don't mind, but there's very little space. And the train leaves in 5 minutes. If you can get the bikes on the back of the train before train leaves, I can take you.
Thank you, Karthik. We will never forget your help. Give me a call if you ever come to Goa.
Karthik Bhai, the owner said there's some celebrity cricketer visiting the cricket bat factory today.
Oh wow, who do you think is coming?
I think it is Virat Kohli.
I hope it's Tala Dhoni.
Oh my god, Karthik Bhai. Karthik Bhai, you will never guess who is here.
So it's not Dhoni or Kohli then? Who is it?
Sardar Gopin Ramesh.
Who?
Former Indian cricketer Sardar Gopin Ramesh. He has come to place order for cricket bats for his sporting sister. Come, let's go get his autograph.
No bhai, you go. I don't even know who that is.
Airy calm, no? Don't be shy. Sir, hello. My friend Karthik says if you give him a chance, he can clean bowl you.
Your friend said what?
Khalid, sir, please don't mind him. He's just joking. I never said that. I don't even know who you are.
Ow. Look, sir, he's saying he doesn't even know who you are.
You don't know who I am. I will show you who I am. Ball me an over. I will hit all balls for 6. If you manage to take my wicket like you say, I will give you this cricket bat. Do you accept my challenge?
I accept.
Well, that was unexpected.
Thanks, sir.
Thanks for arriving on time. We have to load all these bags of cement into the crane. Once a coach is filled up, you have to move the crane so the workers can fill the next coach. Once all coaches are done, we can leave and go to the dam site.
Sounds good. Can we get started?
We're working on a dam. The work is already underway.
What river is the dam on?
It's a fantastic project on the River Jhelum. We built another dam a while back on China.
How much farther do we need to go?
Some more. There will be a change in altitude. It's a special track we laid ourselves for transporting material to site. We will be coming back soon for another few trips, I am sure. Especially once we commence the powerhouse work. We are transporting a huge turbine part after a few months. We are still trying to figure out the logistics. It's a nightmare situation. Let's see what solution we come up with.
Looks like we are nearing our destination.
Get ready. You ain't seen anything like it.
Karthik, there's been a trouble incident. A huge avalanche just occurred near Srinagar.
Oh, that's not good.
My train is stuck in extreme snow and we cannot move forward. 300 passengers are stuck and the temperature is dropping even further. You must immediately leave now and rescue us.
The temperature is quickly dropping. I have to go faster. Ah yes, I can see them now. Time's running out. I must quickly couple the engine. No pressure, you can do this. This is the last step. If I finish this, we can leave. I hope everyone is safe and secure. Let's take them back.
Karthik, I am in big trouble. We just got reports that 2 passengers aboard yesterday's train are missing. They must have gotten down when the train was stuck and lost their way.
Have we tried reaching their phone?
The networks are down due to the blizzard. The last ping received from them was around subah ke 1 baje. The army has been brought in to help. They need someone to point out the exact location of the incident. Can you help them?
Yes, I will help them.
When we reached the location, it showed us a trauma indicator. Are you sure this is the right spot?
There, I see them.
Quickly lower the boat. The weather is getting worse.
I'm fine. Just one.
Good job. You're so fine. Let's fly back to the base camp.
Sir ji, good morning. The weather has cleared, but the train services remain suspended due to heavy snowfall on tracks. Can you help us to clear snow off the tracks quickly so we can resume?
This shouldn't take too long. Sometimes I can't help but wonder if this was a promotion or a demotion. There I was driving the best locos of India back in Arakonam. And now look at me, driving a shunter and clearing snow in Kashmir. Almost done. Hooray! North Railway Kashmir Division is back in service.
We are vaccinating the snow leopards in the valley today. My team will set up their operation on one of the flatbed coaches. Can you drive the train at a constant speed of 20 kilometers per hour?
Whatever you say, Abdak. We've reached the speed of beast. Over to you, Abdak.
Thank you, Khalid. We'll take it from now. Karthik, when you spot a leopard, can you point me to them so I can take a shot?
Yes, I will spot the leopards for you. What a fantastic shot.